Hi, this is Rose from Jewelry Designs by Rose. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to show you some designs today in a red, white, and blue. Going to start off with a bracelet for today, but I will show you in another video some wire wrap earrings as well. And what I'm using right now is some white seed beads and some red seed beads. They're African style seed beads that I found a while ago. So they've got like a white inside, and I just love the way that looks. And then I have these blue check glass twist beads in the middle. So right now I'm just trying to see what kind of a pattern that I'm gonna do. But I definitely wanted to make it that red, white, and blue look. So I'm creating this pattern right here so far. So I'm using the stretchy material that for this bracelet, so I can have a stretch bracelet. It's a super stretchy, and it's a kind of a thicker one, but I'm also going to need to find a way that maybe I could tuck it in if possible. I'm probably just going to make this bracelet for myself because I really need something for 4th of July. And so that's what I'm kind of going for, is something that's kind of more 4th of July look. And that's what I'm trying to get the nice pop of bright red and bright blue so that it looks really pretty. The flower bead would look really nice. That is an option. It's a check glass flower bead. Or I have some of these other red beads. They're a little dark though, so I think I'm gonna try to stick with the brightest thing I can find. And I'm just kind of looking around to see if I can find anything that would go. This is too small. I really want something a little bit bigger. I don't know, something that will kind of stand out. Okay, so what I think I'm going to use are these 2-hole square beads. The holes go at an angle, so it's kind of like a diamond shape. And if I could put maybe 2 or 3 of those in the middle, then I'll kind of have a really nice, cute pattern. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to, continue the same pattern on the other side. And so I'm just basically putting 3 on, and I will come back after I have completed one side. Okay, so I completed the other side, and I'm just checking to make sure that I have enough length to fit around my wrist. So now I'm just making a regular knot on the first one, and basically just gonna stretch the this bracelet a little bit to just kind of stretch it out and make sure it gets nice and tight. You want to do this a few times. Not too hard that it breaks, but just so it kind of stretches out a little bit. And then I'm going to do a double knot after that. And again, I'm going to do another knot after that. And so that's going to be 4 knots. And you could add also some glue. Also, if you were to add right here, kind of one of those beads that you could put a charm on, you could always tuck it in there. So that would be also something you could do. But since I'm just making this for myself, I'm not too concerned about tucking that knot in. And I also made it tight so that it's not going to move around on my wrist. It's going to stay in one place. Most of the times you want to have maybe a little bit of room so that it can move around. But I made mine so that it's and it's not going to move around on my wrists. So you won't be able to see that knot that's in there. So, and I'm okay with that. So I really like this pattern. It's really super cute, very 4th of Red, White, and Blue and 4th of July. So super, super excited about being able to wear this on the 4th of July. And you see this is the pattern that it made on it. It's a really super cute pattern. I wish I would have made it a little bit smaller. I mean, a little bit larger though, because I've got these you know, kind of fat wrists. But I need to lose a few pounds. So I'm hoping that once I do, you know, all the swelling will go down in my arms and whatnot. So yeah, it's really super simple, super cute. But I'm thinking that I might want to add another triangle here. So I really think it would look much better with a second bracelet, and if I add one of these 2-hole double-sided check glass beads on the other side, it will make like a even diamond. So I'm going to get some more beads. Okay, I have a few more beads, and I'm going to string these on real fast and create the exact same bracelet. I'm just going to make it a double bracelet and add another one of the 2-hole check glass white beads in the middle, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am finishing up the last few beads of the second bracelet, and I am going to tie a knot. Again, I make a regular knot first, and after that I'll make a double knot, and it's just a simple regular knot, and then stretch it a little bit, not too hard, and then on the next one you want to go over as a double knot. And so just go around 2 times and then pull it tight, and again, don't pull too hard because you don't want to break it, but you do want it tight. And then I usually do it about 4 or 5 times, and it's not going to come off after that. But you know, if you want to add some more glue, you can. Again, I am not using any kind of large hole bead to kind of hide this. If you use a larger hole bead somewhere, you could definitely hide it. Also, if you only do like 3 knots, then you can add some glue and tuck it a little bit more. But right now I'm adding about 4 or 5 knots, and so I'm not going to add any glue, and it shouldn't be any issue. I'm trying to tuck it in, but it doesn't seem to want to go, which is fine. Like I said, this bracelet is just for me, and now I'm realizing, you know, I really like this, but I think I want to add more of these triangles. So I might come up with another design with more of these double hole beads. I really like this bracelet. So I hope you like it too. Hit the subscribe and the like button if you do. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching.